how to write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. You have y equals mx plus b. The m is the slope. The b is the y-intercept. If we have a graph, the slope is going to be a rise over run, and the y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. So for this line, the y-intercept, the line crosses at positive 2, so b equals 2. The slope, we're going to rise 1, run 2, so our slope is 1/2. The equation of the line, you just substitute those in, you get y equals 1/2 x plus 2. If we have a table, the slope is going to be the change in y over the change in x, and the y-intercept is the y value when x equals 0. So where does x equals 0? Y is -1, so our intercept is -1. The change in y is -6. The change in x is +2. So that would simplify to be -3 for our slope. The equation, substitute those in, you get y equals -3x minus 1. Last thing, if we have a word problem, the slope is going to be the rate, and the y-intercept is what you begin with. So here it says Sarah charges $12 per hour for babysitting. She also charges a non-refundable $5 fee just for showing up. The beginning charge is that $5 fee. So B equals 5. The rate is $12 per hour. So M equals 12. The equation of the line is going to be y equals 12x plus 5. So here are the 4 different ways that we represent slope and the y-intercept using the slope-intercept form of a line like y equals mx plus b.